Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about what are countable nouns and what are uncountable nouns. Let us study the following sentences. Here I have put forth these three sentences. The first one is your book is on the kitchen table. Number second one, there are 20 restaurants in this area. And the third one is the children love to eat watermelons. In these sentences, I have underlined some words. For example, here the book is underlined, the table, this word is underlined, restaurant, this word is underlined, and watermelons, this word is underlined. In these sentences, the underlined words are nouns. The underlined words are nouns which can be counted. Which can be counted. इन sentences में जो underlined words हैं ये nouns हैं और ऐसे nouns जिनको हम count कर सकते हैं which can be counted. For example, books can be counted, tables can be counted, restaurants can be counted, and watermelons these can be counted. इनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, इनको हम गिन सकते हैं. So anything that can be counted, whether that is a singular, like a dog, a house, a friend, or a plural, like a few books, lots of apples, etc., is a countable noun. ऐसे nouns जिनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो नाउन सिंगुलर हो, लाइक ए डॉग, ए हाउस, ए फ्रेंड, या वो नाउन प्लूरल हो, लाइक ए फ्यू बुक्स, लॉट्स ऑफ एप्पल्स, एटसेट्रा. ऐसे नाउन्स को हम काउंटेबल नाउन्स कहते हैं. काउंटेबल नाउन्स, ऐसे नाउन्स जिनको हम गिन सकते हैं, जिनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. तो इन दीज सेंटेंसेस, book, table, restaurants, watermelons, these are all countable nouns. Now, singular verbs are used with singular countable nouns. अगर हमारे पास singular countable noun है तो उसके लिए हम singular verb का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. And number second, plural verbs are used with plural countable nouns. अगर हमारे पास प्लूरल काउंटेबल नाउन है तो उसके लिए हम प्लूरल वर्ब का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज योर बुक, दिस इज योर बुक, यहां पे इज का इस्तेमाल हुआ है. दिस इज योर बुक, दीज आर योर बुक्स, दीज आर योर बुक्स, यहां पे इज का इस्तेमाल हुआ है और यहां पे आर का इस्तेमाल हुआ है. नाउ द सेकंड थिंग, let us study these sentences now. Three more sentences here. There is no more water in the pond. There is no more water in the pond. Number second, you seem to have a high level of intelligence. And the third one, the milk is good for the health. In these sentences, I have underlined some words, like I have underlined here this water, intelligence, milk, and health. These are also nouns. These are also nouns. But these underlined words are nouns which cannot be counted. ऐसे nouns हैं जिनको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं। वाटर को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, इंटेलिजेंस को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, मिल्क एंड हेल्थ इनको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, though they are nouns. So anything that cannot be counted is an uncountable noun. Is an uncountable noun. ऐसा नाउन जिसको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, उस नाउन को हम अनकाउंटेबल नाउन कहते हैं. So in these sentences, the words which I have underlined, these are nouns, but these are uncountable nouns. Note, uncountable nouns are not individual objects. You have to remember this thing, that uncountable nouns are not individual objects. They are always singular. They are always singular. They are always singular. And one must always use singular verbs in conjugation with these uncountable nouns. So you have to remember that uncountable nouns are not individual objects. They are always singular. They are always singular, and you have to use singular verbs in conjugation with them. You have to remember this thing. And remember, in English grammar, countable nouns are individual people. Countable nouns are individual people, or animals, or things, or ideas which can be counted. इंग्लिश ग्रामर में काउंटेबल नाउन्स क्या हैं? इंडिविजुअल पीपल हैं, और एनिमल्स, और थिंग्स, और आइडियाज, और समथिंग एल्स, but which can be counted. This is important, which can be counted. And the second thing is, uncountable nouns are not individual objects. Uncountable nouns are not individual objects. They are not individual objects. So they cannot be counted. So they cannot be counted. This is all about this countable and uncountable nouns. Thank you very much.